If you're not careful, you'll get this wrong. Pause the video and solve this before I explain the answer. Take a look at this expression. 12 minus open parentheses, 5 plus 1 close parentheses, divided by 2 open parentheses, 1 plus 2 close parentheses. At first glance, it looks very easy. In fact, many people look at this question and think they can solve it in just a few seconds. But here's the interesting part. Ask 100 people to solve this expression, and you'll probably get several different answers. Some people will say the answer is 11. Others will say it's 9. A few people might even come up with something completely different. So before we solve it, pause this video and see if you can find the correct answer. Did you get your answer? Great. Now let's see where most people go wrong. The first thing they do is solve the brackets. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now the expression becomes 12 minus 6 divided by 2 times 3. Here's where many people make their first mistake. They believe multiplication must always come before division. So they multiply first. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now the expression becomes 12 minus 6 divided by 6. Next, 6 divided by 6 equals 1. Finally, 12 minus 1 equals 11. Many people stop right here and proudly say the answer is 11. But unfortunately, 11 is wrong. Some people realize something doesn't look right. So they try again. This time they make another mistake during the calculation and somehow end up with 9. They confidently say, the answer is 9, but 9 is also wrong. So why are both answers incorrect? Because they ignored one of the most important rules in mathematics. That rule is called the order of operations, also known as Pemdas. If you understand Pemdas, you'll almost never make these mistakes again. So let's break it down. The letter P stands for parentheses. This means anything inside brackets must always be solved first. For example, 8 times open parentheses, 4 plus 2 close parentheses. Don't multiply 8 by 4 first. Instead, solve the brackets. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now multiply. 8 times 6 equals 48. Here's another example. 20 minus open parentheses, 7 minus 3 close parentheses. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Then, 20 minus 4 equals 16. That's why brackets always come first. Next comes the letter E that stand for exponents, also called powers. For example, 5 squared plus 3. Many people want to add first. That's incorrect. Always calculate the exponent first. 5 squared equals 25. Then, 25 plus 3 equals 28. Here's another example. 3 squared plus 7. 3 squared equals 9. 9 plus 7 equals 16. Simple. Now let's talk about the letters that confuse almost everyone. M and D, that they stand for multiplication and division. Here's the biggest misconception. Many people think multiplication comes before division. That is not what Pemdas says. Multiplication and division have equal priority. Whenever they appear together, you solve them from left to right. Let me show you. 24 divided by 4 times 3. Start from the left. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Now 6 times 3 equals 18. Not 72. Here's another example. 36 divided by 6 times 2. Again, start from the left. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Then, 6 times 2 equals 12. Here's one more. 18 divided by 3 times 4. Start from the left. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Then, 6 times 4 equals 24. Notice the pattern? Always work from left to right. Finally, we have A and S dot addition and subtraction. These also have equal priority, just like multiplication and division. Always solve them from left to right. For example, 15 minus 4 plus 6. Start from the left. 15 minus 4 equals 11. Then, 11 plus 6 equals 17. Another example, 20 plus 5 minus 8. 20 plus 5 equals 25. 25 minus 8 equals 17. Now that you understand Pemdas, let's return to our original question. 12 minus open parentheses, 5 plus 1 close parentheses divided by 2 open parentheses, 1 plus 2 close parentheses. First, solve the brackets. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Now the expression becomes 12 minus 6 divided by 2 times 3. Remember, division and multiplication have the same priority. So work from left to right. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Now we have 12 minus 3 times 3. Next, 3 times 3 equals 9. Now we have 12 minus 9. Finally, 12 minus 9 equals 3. So the correct answer is 3. If you got 11, you multiplied before dividing. If you got 9, you made another mistake along the way. But if you got 3, congratulations. You follow the order of operations correctly. Now it's your turn. Try this question without using a calculator. 15 minus open parentheses 8 minus 2 close parentheses divided by 3 open parentheses 2 plus 1 close parentheses. Pause the video and see if you can solve it. Ready? Let's check your answer. First, 8 minus 2 equals 6. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now the expression becomes 15 minus 6 divided by 3 times 3. Work from left to right. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now we have 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 equals 9. If you got 9, well done. Leave a comment below and tell me if you got both questions correct on your first try. And if you enjoy solving tricky math problems like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another challenge. And I'll see you in the next video.